Hello, good morning, dear parents, and my dear lovely tiny tots. I, Miss Pooja Gilotra, welcome you all in our Maria Kindergarten family. Hope you all are fit and fine at your places. As we all know that beginning of something new is always amazing, and we all feel the same. Here, I am talking about the new chapter of your life means a lot of challenges. And it depends on you that how you make the strategy to overcome the challenges. Being a teacher, I strongly feel that each child is different and unique, and this is the place where a proper shape is given to your future. My dear little kids, as you all know, from 6th April onwards, your classes are going to start. But before starting our online classes, let's introduce you all with our respected principal of Maria Kindergarten, Sister Shiji, your school, classroom, teachers, non-teaching staff, and so on. Firstly, I would like to welcome respected Sister Shiji, our principal, to address you all.
Good morning, dear parents and students of the Maria Kindergarten session. We used to start the kindergarten session with a lot of colorful programs, the presence of the kids and their parents in the school. Unfortunately, this year we have to start our sessions through these online videos. We have started classes for all other sections from class 1st to 12th. Now the remaining classes are for you. The kindergarten session students, I know it's very responsibility for the parents. The teachers will giving you the class videos in each subject. And dear parents, it is your responsibility to sit with your child and help them to learn something from these videos. Definitely, I know if this is not a substitute of a regular classes. This is just an effort to engage our students to provide them with something to learn. So parents, please cooperate, be with your kids and help them to follow these online classes. We are not having the interactive sessions, we are having the video sessions so that the parents will be able to watch it anytime. Videos will be get through WhatsApp group. So I hope we able to meet in the school very soon. Till that, let us engage with these online classes. I wish you all the best. May God bless you.
Thank you very much, sister. Now, I request Mrs. Prerna Kaushik ma'am, Mrs. Swati Bhardwaj ma'am, and Mrs. Deepti Vishnoi ma'am to please show the glimpse of our school, classroom, playground, and competitions which were held in past few years in our section to our little tiny tots, and also introduce them with their teachers and non-teaching staff.
Hello students, it's me, Prerna Kaushik ma'am. Now I will show you some beautiful glimpse of your school. This is your beautiful school. From the first day of school to the last, your education is a major part of your life. Education is the key to unlock the world, a passport to freedom. जी हाँ बच्चों, स्कूल एक ऐसी संस्था है जो दूसरे नंबर पर आती है, क्योंकि पहली शिक्षा तो आप घर पर रहकर सीखते हैं ना, और उसके बाद आपकी दूसरी शिक्षा स्कूल से प्रारंभ होती है, जहां आप आकर अपने व्यक्तित्व को निखारते हैं और आप सीखते हैं कि आपको जीवन में कैसा व्यवहार करना चाहिए सभी व्यक्तियों के साथ जो आपके टच में आते हैं। यह आपका ज्ञान वर्धित कराता है और इसी ज्ञान से आप अपने सपने को साकार करते हैं। सो स्टूडेंट्स, होम एंड स्कूल are the most important part of each and everyone's life. And now I will introduce you with your teachers. जी हाँ बच्चों, अब मैं आपको आपकी टीचर्स से मिलवाती हूँ. Okay? She is your Mrs. Seema ma'am. She is the most senior teacher. She is Mrs. T.N. Sangeeta ma'am. She is Mrs. Anshu Kaushik ma'am. Myself, Prerna Kaushik ma'am. She is Mrs. Swati ma'am. She is Mrs. Deepti Bishnoi ma'am. She is Miss Pooja Gilotra ma'am. She is Miss Samiksha Thapan ma'am. And this is Miss Dipasha Jain ma'am. They are your teachers. And now I will introduce you non-teaching staff of our section. जी हाँ बच्चों, अब मैं आपको उन दीदियों से मिलवाऊंगी जो हमारे स्कूल में यानी हमारे सेक्शन में ही वर्क करती हैं. She is Sonam दीदी and she is Aarti दीदी. Okay students?
Hello my dear children. As you know, a playground is a place in the school where the children play a number of games. Our school also has a big playground. It has a number of playing accessories such as slides, swings and seesaw for the students to play. जी हाँ बच्चों, हमारे स्कूल में भी आपके खेलने के लिए एक प्लेग्राउंड है जिसमें झूले लगे हैं, स्लाइड्स है और भी बहुत सी चीजें हैं जो आपके खेल कूद में काम आएंगी, क्योंकि खेल भी हमारे जीवन का एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है जो हमें एक्टिव बनाता है.
Hello kids and respected parents, hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Students, studies are very important in life. बच्चों, पढ़ाई करना बहुत जरूरी है, but with studies, co-curriculars, activities, cultural program and sports etc. are also very important. It plays a very important role in growth development.
बच्चों, पढ़ाई के साथ साथ सहपाठ्यक्रम गतिविधियों, सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम और खेल कूद अतिरिक्त भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हैं, जो हमारे शारीरिक और मानसिक विकास के लिए महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं.
So, come my dear kids, I will show you some activities and programs which were held in past few years in our KG section. तो आइए बच्चों, आज हम आपको अपने KG सेक्शन के पिछले कुछ सालों के प्रोग्राम्स और एक्टिविटीज दिखाते हैं. ओके, प्लीज हैव अ लुक एंड एंजॉय.
नाम है हर्षिका बोबर. आज मैं आपको गीत सुनाना चाहती हूँ देशभक्ति का. नन्ना मुन्ना रानी हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद.
आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. ओ हीर मेरी
चाची मैं आ गई. और ये जो आलू है ना, आलू वो मैं पंजाब से लाई हूँ, पंजाब से. और ये जो टमाटर है ना, टमाटर
The fruit of your own hard work is the sweetest. One should never stop doing hard work, as we know hard work fruit is sweetest, enjoyable and fruitful also. Prize distribution is a memorable, proud, special and most awaited moment for every institution as well as for every student. Thank you so much, dear teachers, for your kind efforts. Yes, little kids, hope you all liked it. So tomorrow onwards, your online classes are going to start. Do your studies regularly and don't be upset. We will meet soon at school. Everything is going to be normal. Till the time, be happy. I wish you all the very best and stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you.